In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a uniform style of all of your pages by using background pages. Here on this dashboard, I have one page already, and if I like to create a second page that looks similar, then I can simply copy that page and then edit the copy. So I can remove this news article, for example, add my own text here. Is to New York this year. Okay. Let's add an image. Here we go. And maybe change the title as well, field trip. Save that. And now I have two pages that neatly follow up one another in a playlist like this. Okay, so that works. Very nice. But now let's say that I'd like to create multiple pages with the same layout. Then I can copy those. But if I, at some point in time, like to change my background, let's say I'd like to add some time in the top right corner, then I would have to add that time to each of these pages. Instead, I can extract the common elements and put them on a background page. Let me show you how you can do that. First of all, I'll copy this one over so that I can turn this one into a background page. And I do that by removing the foreground elements, the unique elements that I want to put on each of the pages. Now that looks like a good background page. And now next I can simply remove that background from all of the other pages. Like this. And now I have to point this to the background page that I've just created. And I do that by going to the gear icon on the bottom left, which takes me to the page properties. And here I can change the background page. It lets me select from my own pages. And there we go. Now I have set that background page that we've just created as the background page of this page. I can save this and go back. And I can do the same thing for the other page right here. So I'm going to remove the items here again. And set the background page. Like that. And now, if I'd like to add some time, for example, in the background, it's as simple as, well, let's name this background, by the way. It's as simple as putting the time here like that. And then if I go back, you'll notice that the time will be on each of these pages. And this is particularly useful when you want to put a news ticker on all of your pages, for example. Then I can put that news ticker here in the background like this. Select a country, ticker style. There we go. And let's save this, because this way the ticker will keep on running smoothly while the information on the foreground pages just passes on by, if you like. So let me show you that. Here are the pages. Let's show both for 5 seconds. So let's see what that looks like by previewing the playlist. And as you can see down here, the ticker is running smoothly and keeps on running smoothly with every new article, while our foreground pages display each next page as expected. Right. So you can see that background pages can be a real lifesaver when you have many pages that you want to have with the same style. If you'd like to have, for example, a ticker on all of your pages, then an alternative would be to use a foreground page. Here on the right-hand side, you can see the use of foreground pages in our video about playlists and channels. So check that out as well. For now, I'd say experiment with the background pages, have fun with that. Be sure to check out our help pages if you need some more information, help.bizplay.com, or you can always ask us at support@bizplay.com or via chat. Good luck with that.